Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I invite all possible you can come at any time to Rajkot. And day before yesterday, this kids from 5 institutions belongs to all religions, Hindu, Christian, Muslim. 5 institutions participated. Today, of course, from 4 places, the people who are ailing and aged more than 60 years, they came up before us. And today morning also, I visited Loka Vishwas Pratishthan, not deaf people, disabled people, mentally retarded people also. So this movie is very good, and big people, big shots in financially, they can also help. And I am very happy to inform you that person who an institution, they offered to give a dialysis machine. They are going to entrust to us within 2 months, and that also I am going to give it to one hospital after consultation with that. And our Deputy Chief Minister, Babuji, is very much helped in this matter.
आपल्याला ताका सहकार्य करपा जाय अत्यंत ताबडतोब म्हणलें आनी ताजे उपरांत तेमी विजीट केली बी एक पावटी फातर्पा हांगा आयले ते कोटो थंय सगळे आमचे जे मदर टेरेसा आमचे सिस्टर आसता आनी बाकी सगळे आमचे लोक आसता तांकां तेणी येवन मेळ्ळे तांकां सहकार्य केलें ताजे उपरांत फातर्पा म्युनिसिपल एरिया गेले थंय तेणी विजीट केली दोनूय कडेन तेणी 2 दीस अशें काडून आमचे मतदारसंघात येयले आनी ह्या लोकांनी टायम स्पेंड केलो तांकां सहकार्य केलें आनी त्याच टायमार तेमी आमंत्रण दिलें की आज गव्हर्नर पॅलेस जी आसा ती लोकांची अशी तकल्यांक अशें आसा गव्हर्नर म्हणटा एक मोठी वस्ती आनी गव्हर्नर पॅलेसाक सहजासहज कांय लोकांक वचपाक मेळना अशें लोकांची एक हें आसा पूण तशें न्ही गव्हर्नर पॅलेस ही सगळ्यांची आनी तुमी थंय मुजरत हांगा विजीट करची तुमी या मुद्दम तुम्ही विजीट करा अशें म्हूण तेमी आमंत्रण दिलें.